How to add or remove the left-right stereo balance widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, we tap on the Add button. Then we go down and tap on Add a control. Now in the control list, scroll down and scroll down to the hearing accessibility section and tap on left right stereo balance. Tap on that widget to add to your control center, and here it is. Now at the moment I already have one added in a larger size, so I'm going to remove that. So if you want to remove the widget in the control center, tap on the Add button, then tap on the Remove button, and that will remove the widget from the control center. Here I can drag on the handle at the corner to enlarge the widget, and this is the left-right stereo balance. Once it is added to your control center, you can then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, when you want to adjust your sound, you can pull down the control center and then tap on left right stereo balance. So you can tap on it to turn it on, or you can switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.